In primetime news this evening, CXC appoints independent review team in light of widespread complaints. Why will the PNP hold presidential and vice presidential elections separately? The issue hotly debated at the party's NEC meeting. And a new venue, sitting of the lower house to take place at the Jamaica Conference Center. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on Mark Golding and Lisa Hanna's bid to lead the PNP's the People's National Party?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.